Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing every major death in Harry Potter movies. The fact that Harry Potter does feature so many deaths is a bit surprising, but it does lend to its popularity. While it might be a grim way to look at things, the fact is that without the deaths there are no stakes, and the movies make sure that fans were emotionally invested by killing certain characters off. Professor Quirrell. Professor Quirrell was the first major character who died in the franchise, right at the end of Philosopher's Stone, and it was from this moment that fans knew major characters were unsafe. His death provided a great visual as Harry Potter literally burned him. With Voldemort maintaining his life on the back of Quirrell's head, it was certainly a very strange character, but one that is very important to the story in the grand scheme of things. Albus Dumbledore. Dumbledore is the heart and soul of the Harry Potter series, and his death represents the end of Harry's safety at Hogwarts. Dumbledore served as Harry's counselor and protector, with his immense wisdom used as a tool to keep him from Voldemort's way. His benevolence towards all those around him, despite his power, is what makes Albus Dumbledore such an iconic and beloved character. Cedric Diggory. He is perhaps the most gentle student at Hogwarts. He represents the best kind of Hufflepuff, one that is loyal and selfless to all around him. He treats all his peers as equals, and nearly every move he makes is done for the purpose of the greater good. He passes tragically in The Goblet of Fire as a young boy still had so much life left to live.
This is not where you want to be right now. No.
Alastor Mad-Eye Moody. While Sirius Black was always there for Harry Potter on an emotional level, it really was Mad-Eye Moody who kept the Order together and made sure that plans went on. He was a crucial part of the fight against the Dark, and when he died trying to get Harry Potter to the Burrow, it was a very emotional moment. His death, unlike any other on this list, isn't really shown. Instead, the film shows the Order being ambushed by demonstrators, and then certain people make it back. Dobby. Dobby is easily the most selfless character in the whole series. His enormous heart is what makes him so incredibly lovable, and it gives fans immense joy whenever he appears on screen. He will do absolutely anything to provide for his friends, who is considered to be his family. It is so gut-wrenching to see his final moments, yet we know he has time doing what he loves most, which is defending Harry Potter. It is so beautiful when Harry wants to have a proper funeral for Dobby, and in the books it is made clear that he wishes Dobby could have the kind of extravagant funeral that Dumbledore had. Severus Snape. Harry considers Snape to be the bravest man he has ever known. It wasn't until the Deathly Hallows that we learned of Snape's complexity and began to see him as a misunderstood soul rather than a cartoonish villain. He is the silent hero of the entire series, always sacrificing himself for the people he is most loyal to. Even when the love of his life rejects him and goes off to marry his school bully, Snape still will do whatever it takes to try and protect her. Sirius Black. Sirius is truly the free spirit in the Harry Potter series. Regardless of all the unfairness life has handed him, he still cherishes life and lives every day to the fullest. Sirius knows that some things in life are worth dying for, and he would gladly risk his life to save his friends and loved ones. Not only were his best friend Lily and James taken from him, but he was found guilty of betraying them and sentenced to life in prison because of it. Voldemort. As crazy as it sounds, Lord Voldemort's death was difficult to process because the Dark Lord being killed truly indicated the end of the Harry Potter series. Once Voldemort died, there was no war left to fight. Although Voldemort dying was the best thing to happen to the wizarding world, it was a bittersweet moment for fans who would have given anything to keep the Potter series alive, including potentially keeping Voldemort alive.